School ba Martin Luther Christian University menta ka singi ka South Rek nai wing arja apuar kala ai ka jingithuh ba kyrpang ya kilat pathai khubor halor ka jingtresh tam what up dang ka jingwan link shop ka khlam COVID-19 na ka pentaban sam ya ka jingtep ya ka ei ka pelajar hapo ka jella habakran hagani ka jingalang le buram ni kinong sam khubor ki samla pule jongani ka school ba kila ai khublai kyrpang ya ka jingtresh tam na ka penta ka jingno senyang kinong tho khubor ban sam bat ban ai jingtep na ka penta ki pat ba ha ka por ba khim bat ka ba e na ka jingwan ka khlam COVID-19
Karong related COVID, hakapor COVID ni media ni mak bahas kibun ni mong ni rong ciki hospital ni lek ciki cakap tak berium kata. Ni so comment we really appreciate the student and faculty of Martin Luther Christian University for recognizing us for your good gesture, for your kind gesture to recognize our work. Ni so comment cuma dia tapi itu ini yang survive yang kalau kejungi ada asli ke pemerintah, bani yang sekarang bahkan mereka filtration program kejung yang ini, kalau MLCU kamtam yang kini young journalist young camera person kita join thamai yang mereka yang kejungi, bani semua kan MLCU sebut yang ini, abang ni yo kejung MLCU bahkan yang kejung but kerana bah as a students as faculties of this university Vietnam, ya Shillong Mail. You will grow ahead. MLCU is one of the fast-growing universities in the state. Banyak yang cungiru, we will always there be with you, with the university, whatever way we can. Mengingis kamu lupa kenika program of people on the program yang kasih kau mengatakan harap ini yang MLCU ini mengenal mereka maksudnya nak kita kam kaba ni jual mereka kam sekali banyak ni kam ini kita mereka buat.
Martin Luther Christian University. I'm stationed at Nongra and Umsawi currently. We want to thank you so much for coming out of your busy schedule, meeting us here today, for us to be able to thank you for your hard work during especially the COVID times. Communication is very, very important, especially during crises and pandemics. We just like to thank you from our side for always keeping the people informed about each and every little detail that may come up. And so this why we call you here today is mainly because this is a tradition that MLCU does to kickstart our college week. We call it the Aurora. The theme this time is Be the Northern Lights. So to kickstart, in the past we have thanked the police station, we've thanked the what else have we done? Thank the police station, we've thanked fire department, we've even given mementos to our own non-teaching faculty in our university, and today we thought we'd just come this year and thank the news reporters.
So I'd just like to say a few words on behalf of the university. It's difficult to visualize ourselves waking up every day and being completely unaware of what's going on around us, be it COVID or even just a normal day. What elevates our character is information about the various stories, events, occasions, and various phenomena that occurs around and beyond our environment. As Muhtasim Al-Gharati once said, knowledge is a commodity to be shared. It should not remain the monopoly of the selected few. To conduct a heroic quote like this one, we have you, the heroes of information, and through your hard work and dedication, we, the general public, have been blessed with the privilege of knowledge and awareness. We, the student body of Martin Luther Christian University, would wholeheartedly like to thank you, the heroes of us, the heroes of information, on behalf of the entire university, for playing an incredibly massive role in making the public aware and conscious of the fast and happening world. We really appreciate your hard work. We do
not want to take up your time as much because we do know you're very, very hard-working people and very time-constrained people. So here I am. I'm going to present a short poem to you all. It's called The Ghost of Hope. I drafted this one myself. And it goes like this. Display the lines of what can be. Resume the times of what may be. Reset the minds of what should be and wash away the problems you see. Where there is nothing, there is time. What time provides is hope in mind, a positive spectre that can appear, for hope can rid you from despair. A ghost that leads you far from fear, a glimmer of peace that pushes you onwards, my dear. Never lose it, no matter how hard things get. What matters is what you do that gets you out of there. Hold on to the ghost of hope, for at the end it will keep you afloat. I chose this poem today because the press itself is truly the embodiment of hope in our society. Because without you, the public eye, all the people around us would remain in the dark. Thank you.